Hey, Skylander. Word around town is that Chaos fellow is finally showing himself. Everyone's preparing to join us. Now's our chance to put an end to all this.
So, we're going after the man himself. The big enchilada. The little guy in charge of evil things. This is gonna be awesome. Boom!
If we can stop Chaos from evilizing the ancient tree spirit, then he's stopped for good. You say the word and we're off.
Attention, you fire trolls! I, Chaos, have tolerated the incompetence of my minions for far too long. But that ends today. This is your chance to prove to me, your glorious leader, that you are not the complete and total failure buffet that I am already certain you are. So pay attention! Here is your target, the ancient tree spirit. It must be captured at all costs. Do you hear me? Now, those miserable sky lamos will try to stop you. Oh yes. But, thanks to my incomprehensible genius, you have all been equipped with this evilized fire. You will use it to drive the tree spirit into my trap and ensure my ultimate victory! Or don't bother coming back. Get me? Yes! Victory for me! Open the hatch! Narf, hop!
Sir, are you sure your plan will work?
Of course it will work, fool! You just make sure you do your part. In the meantime, I am going to personally oversee this operation.
Wait, well, what? That could be dangerous.
The tree spirit's in trouble, friend. Chaos is set to burn down this whole forest.
Oh, well, you can bet the Skylanders aren't gonna let anything happen to that pretty tree lady.
Right, let's pull in and get to helping. What am I saying?
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this.
Shoot for the stars.
Oh, wonderful! The Skylanders are here! These ruthless trolls are everywhere! Look out! We need to put this fire out at the gate before it spreads further. Follow the hose back to the pump, and I'll get it hooked. Hurry, Skylander. There's not a moment to spare.
Chompy Boom Blossom.
Starlight, star fight. Ha ha.
Don't worry about me. Happens all the time. Use the pump to fill water balloons to put out these despicable flames. Whoa!
By the stars. A shining success. Huh? Ha ha. Like stars in the sky.
Level up.
Star Blast. By the stars.
Level up. Level up.
Cosmic energy. A brilliant victory.
Level up.
Star Blast. Huh.
That diabolical chaos is using the evilized fire to surround the ancient tree spirit. She's completely trapped.
The evilized fire must be put out before it can spread.
I don't know what will happen if those flames touch her, but it won't be anything good, that's for certain. You must do whatever it takes to put out those flames, Skylander. If the ancient is captured, we are all doomed.
The stars have aligned. Huh? Ha-ha!
Level up.
Cosmic energy. By the stars.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Silent but deadly. Woohoo!
Good job. Great job. Good job. Great job. You win.
Perfect. All set here, my good Skylander, but I need the hydrant turned on to get the water pressure going. It's over in the creepy cave.
Undead spell.
Yes!
Creep.
Enough of that now! Get off me! Get off!
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
A fun place to sneak around.
Shoot for the stars. By the stars.
Be afraid of the bird! Missile Mauler.
So the tech element are stronger in this zone.
I built this teleporter for the fire brigade. Helps them get out to their calls in a jiffy, you know. Would you mind testing it out for me? Just grab this shifting sphere and throw it. It will teleport you most assuredly. Direct hit. Skylander! You're the first one to ever make it back! I mean, here's something nice for your trouble.
This look blows me away.
The perfect swarm! Let's check this place out.
How wonderful to see you again, my friend. Yes, I am the chief of the Volunteer Fire Brigade. I hurried over as soon as I heard. I'm ready to assist. A job like this requires our top-of-the-line fire flooder vehicle. Hop in, Skylander. The Gilman ships are still on fire and need our help.
Level up.
There's the first ship, Skylander. Man the water cannons and drown those flames.
Too easy.
Ready yourself, my friend. There are more ships of fire out there.
Too easy.
Ready the water cannons and douse those flames. That's the last of it for now. Masterful work, Skylander. You're a true firefighter at heart.
You must hurry, Portalmaster. The ancient tree spirit is in grave danger.
Our tanks are dry. I'll need to land and refill before we move on. Why don't you scout the area for more of those pesky trolls, and I'll meet you atop that waterfall.
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Blast and furious!
Level up.
There are many who think it is unwise for tree men to volunteer for the Skylands Firefighter Squad. It is certainly dangerous, but far better than joining the Lumberjacks Guild or the Wood Carving Association.
Level up.
Fuel the fire! Burn and learn! This is my kind of play.
Only Skylanders from the undead and life elements can unlock this gate.
Go ahead. Snake my day.
My oldest friend was exploring this graveyard and has become trapped. If you help him, Skylander, I will reward you quite handsomely.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in
This is one of the more elaborate gates. We'll need 2 keys to unlock it.
You are his story.
Well done. Only one more key and we'll get through here easily. forget to mention that my friend is a dastardly spellpunk. Mother always said I ran with the wrong crowd.
Snake, rattle and roll. Level up. Bullseye.
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Born to burn! I'm boiling over! Warm! Into the fire! Too hot to handle. Woohoo!
Skylanders of the earth element are stronger in this zone.
King of the Sting. Nailed it. here, Gollum.